How to make money on TikTok. Without wasting your time, let's show you how to make money on TikTok. 1. Become a TikTok influencer. TikTok influencers are users who have a large and engaged following on the platform. Influencers can partner with brands to promote products or services and can earn money through sponsored posts and sponsored challenges. Post quality content regularly and build a large following to become an influencer. 2. Sell your own product or services. If you have a business or offer a service, you can use TikTok to promote your product or services to a large and engaged audience. You can create videos that showcase your product or services and include links to your website or online store in your bio or in the video descriptions. 3. Join the TikTok Creator Marketplace. The TikTok Creator Marketplace is a program that connects TikTok creators with brands and agencies looking for influencers to promote their products or services. You can apply to join the Creator Marketplace and, if accepted, you can earn money by participating in sponsored challenges and campaigns. 4. Participate in TikTok's live streaming feature. TikTok has a live streaming feature that allows users to broadcast live videos to their followers. If you have a large and engaged following, you can earn money through virtual gifts and tips that your viewers send during your live streams. 5. Monetize your videos through TikTok's partner program. TikTok has a partner program that allows users to earn money through ads that are shown on their videos. To be eligible for the partner program, you must have a large and engaged following on TikTok. Once you are accepted into the program, you can earn money through ads that are shown on your videos. If you follow these tips, you can explore different ways to make money on TikTok. It's important to note that making money on TikTok requires hard work, dedication, and creativity. Don't forget to share and subscribe.